The Volonaut Airbike is a nearly market-ready, jet-powered flying motorcycle that defies convention with its futuristic design and high performance. Capable of reaching speeds up to 200 kilometers per hour, hovering in place, and performing 360-degree spins. Controlled by both body movement and joysticks, it's crafted using carbon fiber and 3D printing, making it about 7 times lighter than traditional bikes. As tech innovation accelerates and the line between science and fiction fades, this incredible machine proves that the future we once dreamed of is now taking flight. So keep an eye on Volonaut's socials if you're ready to ride the skies. The Open Bionics Hero Pro is both awe-inspiring and slightly eerie, featuring a bionic hand that can be completely detached yet still controlled by its user via wireless myopod electrodes that read muscle signals through the skin, allowing it to even crawl toward objects. As part of the Hero prosthetic system, it's not only impressively responsive but also powerful, capable of lifting up to 26 kilograms, lasting a full day on a single charge, and weighing just 548 grams, making it the lightest and one of the most advanced prosthetics available. Pulsar Fusion Sunbird is a groundbreaking prototype fusion-powered space tug that could slash the journey to Mars from 21 months to just 2 or 3. Thanks to its revolutionary engine capable of 450 tons of thrust and generating up to 2 megawatts of power, more than the entire solar array on the ISS. Unlike traditional propulsion systems, Sunbird's compact design requires no bulky shielding or cooling, making it an efficient and powerful leap toward faster space travel. With orbital tests planned for 2027, this could be the beginning of reaching not just Mars, but even distant planets like Jupiter. The Exomotion exoskeleton, known as Exomotion, is a remarkable innovation that helps individuals with spinal cord injuries walk again, hands-free and with self-balancing technology. It's only the second exoskeleton in the world to offer this level of autonomy, and the first to replicate natural leg movement, even allowing users to dance. Designed for users between 1.5 and 2 meters tall, and up to 100 kilograms, it features hot-swappable batteries for extended use. The first unit was acquired by a rehabilitation center in Calgary, Canada, and the developers are actively collaborating with medical and robotics researchers to expand its potential. Flexivval technology is redefining human-computer interaction by allowing users to physically touch and shape holograms, rotating, zooming, and swiping them with their fingers, thanks to vibrating flexible ribbons that sync with a projector at up to 2,880 vibrations per minute. Advanced algorithms ensure the holograms remain stable from any viewing angle, and interaction is 30% faster than with a traditional 3D mouse. Complementing this is PointerVal, a specialized laser pointer that eliminates the distortion of regular laser lines on holograms, making it ideal for applications in medicine, design, and interactive museum exhibits, where users can literally grasp digital content. Glide is the first autonomous smart guide designed for blind and visually impaired individuals, blending the functions of a cane and a guide dog with advanced AI and robotics. It enables both preset navigation and spontaneous movement, detecting obstacles, doors, elevators, and staircases with a visual range of up to 15 meters. Glide responds to voice commands and runs for about 6 hours on a single charge. Currently in alpha testing, this groundbreaking mobility aid is expected to begin shipping this fall. The Flashbot Arm is a compact centaur-like service robot designed for environments like hospitals, hotels, and stores, offering a versatile extra set of hands. Weighing just 15 kilograms, it easily navigates spaces without needing layout changes and operates for up to 8 hours on a single charge. With 11 degrees of freedom in its hands, it can perform tasks such as calling elevators, delivering packages, or serving guests, all controlled through voice commands, gestures, or facial expressions. While it's not yet available for purchase, its potential as a smart assistant is clear. In Trondheim, Norway, the Cycllo Cable, formerly known as the Tramp, is the world's only bicycle lift, offering a unique and free way for cyclists, skateboarders, scooter riders, and even parents with strollers to ascend a 130-meter hill. Originally built in 1993 and later modernized, the lift works by having one foot on the device while the other remains on the pedal, making it a quirky yet practical attraction in a city where vibrant nightlife meets historic landmarks like Scandinavia's largest medieval building. The Case Impact is a concept for a revolutionary wheel loader that operates with no noise, no emissions, and no driver, showcasing the future of machinery. This semi-autonomous machine can be used in dangerous environments, like industrial disaster sites or natural catastrophes, where human operators would be at risk. It can autonomously perform tasks, such as digging and unloading, while collecting and analyzing data in real time, to improve its precision and efficiency. If it becomes mainstream, it could not only transform the machinery industry, but also disrupt the job market. In Silicon Valley, even burgers are made by robots at BurgerBot, where the automated system can craft the perfect burger in just 27 seconds, $4/$18. While humans are still part of the experience, they're relieved from cooking duties and can engage with customers instead. If BurgerBot proves successful, similar robot-powered fast food spots could pop up across California and potentially beyond, as 89% of hospitality managers are reportedly open to robot-assisted automation, paving the way for a new era in fast food.